This is the solution video for section 7.3, problem number 29. Alright, so I have the integral from 0 to pi over 8 of the tangent of 2x dx. Alright, so I'm going to need a u substitution. U equals 2x. So I have the integral from x equals 0 to x equals pi over 8 of the tangent of u dx. Alright, so du is 2 dx. So I need a 2 with the dx and a 1/2 on the outside. So 1/2 integral of the tangent of u du. All right, so now let's change our limits. If x is 0, then u is 0, right? U equals 2 times 0. And if x is pi over 8, then u is 2 times pi over 8, which is pi over 4. And so 1/2 the integral of tangent. What is the integral of tangent? Natural log of the absolute value of the secant of u. And then we're going to evaluate that from 0 to pi over 4. All right, so 1/2 natural log the secant of pi over 4 minus 1/2 the natural log of the secant of 0. All right, so the secant of pi over 4. All right, so the cosine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. So the secant of pi over 4 is 2 over root 2 minus 1/2 the natural log of the absolute value of the secant of 0. Secant of 0 is 1. All right, so here, 2 over root 2, if you rationalize, is root 2. So this is 1/2 natural log of, I don't need the absolute value anymore, so just root 2, minus 1/2 natural log of 1. Well, natural log of 1 is 0, so that term is just 0. So I have 1/2 the natural log of the square root of 2. But square root of 2, well, I can rewrite that as 2 to the 1/2, and so I can bring the 1/2 in front, so 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4 the natural log of 2, which is the answer on the answer sheet, but you could also have the natural log of the 4th root of 2, and that would be equivalent as well.